So we keep whisking the sabayon, keeping an eye on the butter, making sure that it melts and it's hot, but it doesn't explode in the microwave. So only put it on for 30 seconds or a minute at a time and keep a good eye on it. And you'll see it start to thicken, and there's a lot of residual heat in the pan, so most of your cooking, you'll get to the point where it's starting to hold its shape and call a ribbon stage, and once we're at that stage we're pretty close. That doesn't need any more heat under it now, but don't stop the whisking. Take a second to grab your butter. Don't stop the whisking under any circumstances, otherwise you'll start scrambling the egg. Drizzle it in, just the clarified butter. If you haven't overcooked the yolks, you shouldn't need much of the liquid in the bottom. If you've slightly overcooked the sabayon, you can use the liquid in the bottom to let down the Hollondaise. What you're doing is creating an emulsion, so the egg proteins can't be scrambled. Otherwise you lose the emulsifying proteins, which hold the hydrophilic tail holds the water molecules, and the hydrophobic head embeds itself into the fat molecules and therefore holds it in suspension rather than fat just sitting separated like it normally would do on a liquid. And you want a thick mousse. If it's runny, you need to start again because it probably won't come together. If it's a little bit too thick, you can just tip in a little bit of the milky residue in the bottom of the jug. That's the consistency you're looking for, almost like soft whipped cream. And at that point, you know that you've used unsalted butter, so we need to season it. Start with a pinch of salt, small pinch of salt. And if you know the amount of vinegar you've squeezed in quite precisely, you know roughly how much to season.